Welcome to HomeGlow Studio. Today, we're touring a $1 million apartment where luxury is literally hidden. Designed by top-tier architects, this space transforms to reveal secret storage and high-tech features. Stick around for the breathtaking sea view at the end. Let's dive in. Nature meets design the moment you step inside. These massive glass doors flood the space with sunlight, and when opened, bring the ocean's rhythm and breeze right into the room. Look up at the custom halo-lit ceiling. The lighting design is pure royalty. To maximize the footprint, we've used bespoke folding furniture and a luxury sofa-cum-bed, turning this sophisticated lounge into a guest suite instantly. This kitchen is a master of disguise. Handle-less touch-to-open cabinets, crafted from premium wood, create a seamless, wall-like finish. Behind these panels lies a massive hidden pantry and smart storage systems that keep the marble countertops completely clutter-free. It's the perfect blend of high-end aesthetics and everyday utility. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of calm, featuring a hydraulic bed that reveals a secret storage vault underneath. In the second bedroom, the architectural wooden ceiling is the centerpiece. We've also integrated floating, wall-mounted desks and beds with hidden drawers in the guest rooms to ensure every square inch is utilized without the space ever feeling crowded. The bathrooms are a tribute to royal spas. Pure white marble meets golden century accents for a high-contrast, regal look. Featuring oversized soaking tubs and precision lighting, these spaces are designed to be your private escape, offering a 5-star experience within the home. What makes this apartment truly unique is the extra space hidden in plain sight. We've utilized dead space by installing sliding wall panels that reveal extra shelving and walk-in closets where you'd least expect them. Even the hallways feature floor-to-ceiling invisible cabinetry that blends into the walls. From fold-away seating to expandable dining surfaces, every corner has been engineered to provide double the utility without losing an ounce of style. And finally, the breathtaking finale. This balcony offers the ultimate sea view, a perfect spot for sunsets and serenity. If you loved this tour, subscribe to HomeGlow Studio for more luxury transformations. See you in the next one.